In this video, we will see how to drink spirulina. As you know, spirulina has a lot of benefits to the body, and personally I drink it because I have a deficiency in iron. So first of all, we will take 1 spoon of spirulina powder. Make sure it's organic, 100% bio. So I'll take 1 spoon. Oops. Yeah, spirulina. I'm mixing it with moringa powder. Moringa is rich of iron as well. So I'm adding 1 spoon of moringa. Like this. I would like to add honey, pure honey, 1 spoon as well. This one is mixed with royal jelly. So 1 spoon is enough for me. And mix these ingredients. I will add just a little bit of water to be able to mix them. Mix them very well. Since the spirulina is strong in taste, it really tastes bad. We'll mix it with orange juice, fresh orange juice, and also some other herbs. For me, I will choose basil. You like oregano, for example, or whatever. So I will add a little bit of basil, like 1 spoon, small spoon or less, just for the taste, and mix again. Once they are all mixed, we'll add the orange juice, the fresh orange juice.